All coaching institutes are saying in big words, guaranteed all India ranking. How they can guaranteed?
Most of them, what happens is, I have seen this not in the CA, in IIT, JEE and other. One guy's result, he would have got third rank. 3 coaching institutes put the same photo of that guy.
Tier 2, Tier 3 cities के students है. There are metro cities का students. He is very polished. But आप Tier 2, Tier 3 city में चले जाओगे, वो criteria match नहीं कर पाते, right?
See, from where you come from does not matter. Where you end is under your control. And never hesitate to understand what your weaknesses are. If you don't know your weakness, you can never show your strength.
Parents are still forcing their children to take the professional courses. Should they listen to their parents or should they listen to their inner voice, what they can do?
Parents are forcing, that's a wrong statement. India में
Why everybody is going for edtech right now in India? They are seeing any kind of actual gap or just they want to make money?
people who cannot get into any jobs are getting into teaching. Until good set of professionals come into teaching, India will have a
Arjun sir, welcome to the Founder's Dream. How are you, sir?
all well. How are you doing?
All super, sir. Nice. So I told you na that I was just I'm learning Kannada Bhasha. Kannada Bhashe.
ವಂದನೆಗಳು.
Yeah. So Arjun sir, you are a founder, but I want to know your story before going ahead with the questions and all. So I think your story I have read, it's very interesting. So from your mouth,
So ಕನ್ನಡ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋರು? So just to give a quick brief, so I am a CA, finished my MBA from IIM Bangalore too. My dad used to run a juice center in Malleshwaram. For almost most of my studies have been through scholarship. I studied through with Christ. Somebody sponsored my CA thing, finished it off. Worked with a VC firm. Somehow got more passionate about education. So thought, let me start teaching. Teaching led to Arivu Pro, and today we are here.
what things motivate you to become a teacher?
See, there were two things. So when I was studying in my school, right, our teachers did not even know the subject. So because I come in from a very small school where teachers were not there, English was not a main language. Every time, maybe I would have not done CA if I would have good teachers. Maybe I would have done something else. But throughout my journey, there was always somebody else who was guiding me across. And I know the role a teacher can play in a community. And see, from a background that I was in, wherever I am today, I've overachieved from where our expectations were. But as a teacher, if maybe they would have guided, maybe I would have looked into becoming an IAS, maybe something else. Uh, that's where I felt, hey, you know what? Somebody guided me. What if I can guide somebody else? That was the whole vision for us. So when even the name Arivu means creating awareness. So we are not in the business of selling or other thing. We are in the business of creating awareness. And with that, people are joining us. And that was the whole vision for me to become a teacher.
Somebody has said very good thing. I think जिसके पास कुछ नहीं होता वही सब कुछ वो सबसे ज्यादा काम करता है, वो सबसे ज्यादा पाता है. If I'm not wrong, if somebody has everything, then what he will do? Wow. So I think you have started from 1 lakh investment.
Correct.
Okay, but I think you already came from the very good background of investment banker. So you had very good salary and you have very good amount. So then why why you started with 1 lakh? Because you can start the business with I think 1 crore or 2 crore rupees.
So there were two things. One is like the first 1.5 year of my journey, when I was teaching, working with a VC firm, the money was there. But again, it went off to clear off lot of debts, certain expenses. First time you're seeing money as a person, right? Coming from the background. So bought a car, then cleared off all this loan. But in the meantime, we wanted to spread more education in the tier 2 city. So all the savings that I had before the company was formed as Arivu Pro, me along with 2-3 friends of mine, we went into tier 2 cities. So we went to Mysore. We said, hey, you know what, can we tell people who are doing commerce, can you do CA along with it? So 2 years, all the savings that I had burnt out because students were really good. but we were never able to deliver results. Finally, I was left with 1 lakh rupee in the bank. That's when I said with my other team to say, guys, it's turning into a loss. Maybe I want to restart myself. I know I don't have money, but somehow that gut feel, right, ki this will work out. So I had that last 1 lakh that I put it into this company formation. One of my friend who was there earlier, he's my childhood friend. He came and supported along to it. So the idea was money is not there. But if I reach out to people with a background, I know they will give money, but I also don't know what is that I'll do with that money. So that's where the problem was. Money, as such, it's not about taking money, it's about giving that money back. For me, that accountability was something which always used to bother me. And that last 1 lakh today has given me the maximum return that I can look at.
Wow. How many years I think is
It's
now?
10 years now.
10 years now. Wow. I think just now I was reading one quote, Sai. वो कोट हिंदी में था तो कि अपनी लाइफ को मोबाइल की नज़रों से मत देखो, मतलब मोबाइल में जो दिख रहा है इट्स शोर शराबा एवरीथिंग, तो मोबाइल की नज़रों से मत देखो, अपनी लाइफ को अपनी नज़रों से देखो, तो आपको रियलिटी का पता चलेगा. आई वॉज इन इम्प्रेशन कि सर आप तो इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग से आए हो, देन यू हैव वेरी गुड अमाउंट एंड you started in 1 or 2 year and the blast.
So for us, the first 4 years, luckily, what happened when we were hit our failure, I went back to my alma mater, Christ University. I told them, hey, what, can I come and work with you guys? And they were extremely, one of my mentor, Biju Toms, he was very open. He gave me that opportunity to work along with it. We started doing integrated programs. From then on, for the first almost till 2019, we worked only with Christ because they gave us one batch. Everything turned out to be a failure.
Only one college.
Just one college till 2019.
How many years?
So almost first 3 years as a freelancer, then 5 years as a company. Till 2019, Christ was our major client, Christ University. But 2017, with all the, so the way it was working was, I used to teach almost 13-14 hours a day, save all the money, put it back to the company so that we can pay the teachers on time. So 2017, we set up our own academy to say, because everyone was saying, "Aap Christ ke bande ho." But I am like, no, I work with Christ. It's not, I'm work Christ ka company, right? So we had to create our identity. 2017, we set up our company. Not company, an institute outside Christ. Till 2019, most of it was purely Christ University for us. So that's the journey, the initial one. But post that, we have been growing, luckily post pandemic, we've been growing at 100% every year.
What were the main challenges you faced when you started, I think 10 year back, in the early days, like in first 3 years?
One, people had to believe in my vision. And because you're not having capital to pay, right? So the question was coming every time to say whether this guy will pay or not. But it's been 10 years. Till now, we have not even defaulted one payment and not even delayed a payment beyond that time. Touch wood. So we have run it very professionally, but the quality of teachers has been a concern. When I am talking about it, it's not just Arivu Pro ka problem, it's the industry-wide problem. Teachers are still a concern because not, if you go and ask how many of them want to become a teacher, right? So even that is not an aspiration for people. How would you get a good quality teacher to come and do a class? So we had to get those freshers coming to us, then grooming them around. So that was one side, you don't have money. On the other side, you still have to build the team around it. So that was our major problem. Second part of it was, most of them seeing me did not believe, am I going to be very serious on this? One, I wasn't looking the age, because see, when imagine I was a 23-year-old guy, uh, still carrying that bag, walking to the colleges and say, how I want to teach your kids. They were considering how, whether this guy will teach or not, whether he will take the money and run away. Considering that I don't look very matured in terms of it, that was the second challenge. The third one happened very strange in the industry was, so when I set it up, like I said, we wanted to be in tier 2 cities. So me and my friend, we were traveling almost every day to Mysore. One of a top college finally agreed to say, "Ha, I think kuch to hai, we'll give you a chance." Uh, but just on the day of signing, on the previous day, one of Bangalore's reputed school had a issue of a physical trainer teacher molesting a student. And Mysore being a conservative city, they said, hey, you know what? And that was a all girls college. They said, you are young, you're from Bangalore, we don't have any background reference check for you. After traveling for 3 months, considering that the signing will be done, on that day, this incident happens and they back out. And I was literally shattered to say, see, I've given up a very high paying job to do this, and this is the response I'm getting to it. But just a small story deviating from it. So I got extremely frustrated. So whenever I'm little frustrated, I start to drive. So I started driving towards Madkeri Kushal Nagar. If you know, there's a Tibetan camp, right? So I met one monk there. He asked for a drop. I picked him up. He said, I can see you being frustrated. I told him, sir, ये मेरा story है. मैंने सब कुछ छोड़ के I want to become a teacher, and this is what I'm getting कि you will be whether they're testing the integrity of it, right? He started laughing at it. I was, first of all, I'm angry, and this monk is laughing at me. He said, I can see you driving well. I said, sir, मैं पढ़ाना चाहता हूँ, and you're talking about. He said, see, you are somebody who will find your way out. Even if everything goes bad, you'll become a driver and still make it through. Don't worry about it. Just go back. Things will change. But when we came back, lot of colleges started signing up with us.
Automatically.
Yeah, and I'm saying and that particular day, what I all realized was just be very honest with what you're doing. If things go bad, that means there are bigger things planned. So even today, when there have been cases where one of a top university, because of certain issues, we just agreed to cancel a contract. Uh, and immediately next week, pandemic hits in. So I've lost 75% of my revenue from one single college. We are back to square zero. And worst thing was we had announced a free online classes because we are experimenting online at that point of time. Pandemic hits. I don't have a revenue for next 6 months. And I don't know what will happen. And I've announced a free batch. So all the students who had paid fees, they're like, anyway, you're giving it for free. It's going to be online. Why do we have to? So they said, we don't want to enroll for it. That 6 months gave us the maximum push in terms of company because we were very restricted to Koramangala as a region. This opened up when we did it on YouTube, opened up to the entire country, and people said, hey, you know what? There is a team which teaches well. So that is where I'm saying. So I've seen that anything rejection happens today, I'm like least bothered, like, chalo yaar. It will still turn out to be something bigger than what we are looking at.
वाओ! बहुत बढ़िया सर। सो मतलब एवरीबॉडी इज़ चेज़िंग द फंडिंग, बट मैंने आपके बारे में पढ़ा तो आप नहीं चेज़ कर रहे हो, व्हाई? देयर इज स्पेसिफिक रीज़न?
So I don't want to name a company, but if you look into it, last week there was one company which raised so much of money. They've raised some 3,000 crores till now, making around 300 crores revenue, and they're making some 15-16 crore profit. I am saying what have they done till now is kept on burning money on student acquisition.
बहुत पैसा है ना सर लोगों के पास, तो आई थिंक यू आर द इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकर।
But
पीपल हैव गुड मनी है
no,
टू
see,
स्पेंड, लाइक
oh,
टू इन्वेस्ट।
but if I ask you a question, why would you put a money? You want more return? Obvious, right? Now, to make more money, what you have to do? You have to sell more. What if you understand the education industry, I believe education, food and hospital, people go where the service is good on a long term. Why do you have to sell so much? And that was our philosophy to say, see, the moment investors come in, he will say, I want you to grow 5x next year, 10x next year. I'm like, I'm already growing 100% year on year. Why do I have to fake sell something? In education industry, that's what happened with lot of big players, right? They keep doing cold calling, they sell a product which was not even required. And I'm extremely proud of my company to say it's 10 years old. We have done zero cold calls till now. which is a foundation for education. I am okay to take funding provided persons have a long-term vision to say, you know what, let's build a good education company which teaches, not sells. That is the reason I've been avoiding people. It's not that people are not approaching us, they are approaching, but we are looking at people who have a vision to say, at least one industry, let's keep it safe.
Wow, sir. So tell me about your early days. In early days, how you hired teachers, because you have to train them.
So, first part, like I said, my teachers were my students, or let's say my uh, juniors from the college they have come in. So I have Sandesh, who's my junior. Sai sir is my ex-student. Christopher was my ex-student. Then there were 3 more faculties who came in because they were having issues with other institutes which are not paying on time. And if you go and check the history of coaching institutes, most of them don't pay teachers on time with the belief that once we pay, they will run away. For us, we said, was we'll trust them, we'll pay on time. Whatever happens, it's okay. And once the first set came in, they said, hey, you know what, these guys are professional with it. Then it became easier. People started looking up to us. But my first set was my students and my junior who came in, who started teaching with us. And I think that initial, for you to be honest with people where you are, I think makes a lot of difference. And we groom teachers. We were not getting good teachers coming and joining in. So they were coming in when the feedback was bad. We were telling them, hey, you know what, students are not liking this aspect. Can you change it? Good teachers were saying, okay, I'll make a change. But bad teachers were saying, hey, you know what, I don't care. How do they know about it? Was there your customer? If they are not liking it, you are supposed to change it. So those people kept on leaving the organization. The good guys sustained. Luckily, since we were only restricted to one college, news was not going anywhere out. And my connection with students was so strong that if there is something wrong, before complaining it to the management, they were coming and telling me. And I'm extremely thankful for the students to say, you know what, see, you know, as student, it's very easy to make hangama, make bigger thing. But whenever they had any issue with the faculty, they're personally coming and saying, sir, this teacher is not doing well. Maybe you should change it. It's not helping us. That trust on of students on me to say, ha, this guy wants to make a difference made a lot of difference in my career.
तो अभी एक बात दोस्त है, इसमें बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है फॉर हिंदी पीपल, जो बिकॉज नॉर्थ इंडिया भी अपन को देखता है. सो वन क्वेश्चन फॉर देम, बिकॉज टीयर 2 टीयर 3 सिटीज़ के स्टूडेंट्स है, देर आर मेट्रो सिटीज़ के स्टूडेंट्स. अभी क्राइस्ट यूनिवर्सिटी में जो स्टूडेंट्स होता है एकदम ग्रूम होता है, बात करता है, ये सर मतलब अच्छा बात करे ना, एंड ही इज़ वेरी पॉलिश्ड. बट आप टीयर 2 टीयर 3 सिटी में चले जाओगे तो दे आर पॉलिश बट नॉट दैट, वो क्राइटेरिया मैच नहीं कर पाते, राइट? सो हाउ दे कैन compete with the metro cities student, because you are a teacher, you can guide them.
See, first thing, I always said, take my example. जब मैं कॉलेज गया था, मुझे इंग्लिश पर बात करना भी नहीं आता था.
Same here, sir.
Right? But over a period, see, so first day I remember, जब मैं कॉलेज गया था, my HOD came and said, Arjun, can you address the class because you come in from a scholarship background? I wanted to speak in English. I started speaking. People started laughing in the class.
क्या सेंटेंस था पहला?
नहीं, I was not framing sentences and I was getting nervous. I've never spoken or addressed a crowd in English and I'm doing it. People are laughing at. I went back. I looked at it twice to say, you know what is the difference between that guy and me? They have gone to a good school. I have not. Today we both are here. 3 years later, if I am not up to their mark, it's my fault. See, I have to first accept that I'm bad. If I keep telling myself ki I'm good, I'll never grow. First thing I said is, I know I'm bad. That is because their background and my background does not match. But whatever they've done in the last 10 years, can I do it in the next 3 years? So one thing I realized was, जब class में कुछ teachers पूछते, right? What is the first thing most of them do? Put their heads down. I started raising my hand. College said, teachers were getting fed up and say, हाँ चल भाई, कोई नहीं हाथ उठा रहा है, बता. Initially, they were laughing at my answers, but over a period, my confidence kept on building to say, you know what, in a closed environment, no one will throw tomatoes or egg at you. You can do all the mistakes that is there, but not in an dais or a open auditorium, right? So I use that to my maximum advantage. So I keep telling students is, see, from where you come from does not matter. Where you end is under your control. And never hesitate to agree or to understand what your weakness are. If you don't know your weakness, you can never show your strength. That is the first thing I will always say. See, today people are not talking about language. Sir, language mein kya hai, right? It's only about two people. What you explain, somebody should understand. If a visually challenged guy, or I am telling, I have a 3-year-old son, he knows how to make sure what he wants to communicate without even speaking. If he can do it, why can't we?
Wow, it's a great line. I will use it in my next podcast. Wow. I think, sir, Arjun sir, you tell me one thing. All coaching institutes are saying in big words, guaranteed all India ranking. How they can guaranteed? Is it a marketing gimmick, or people should understand this scenario? There is no guarantee at all.
Especially in a professional programs, I tell this, a rank is got only because of a student's results, student's efforts. Teacher ka kaam hai, he will teach the topper also the same way, even the failure also the same way. Teacher does play a role only to communicate with a concept or maybe to guide. Rank is always because of a student effort. Student, if he is giving a credit to the college or the institute or a teacher, that's his greatness. As a coaching institute, they create guidelines to say, you know what, aap ye kar sakte ho, right? Who can guarantee, especially in a course like CA, out of 100 students, only one guy completes the course. So who can guarantee? If somebody can keep guaranteeing ranks every attempt, I am telling students should go and worship him. Bhagwan se we should compare him. That's the truth. People should only, most of them, what happens is, I have seen this not in the CA, in IIT, JEE and other. One guy's result, he would have got 3rd rank. 3 coaching institutes put the same photo of that guy. 3rd rank from this institute, 3rd rank from, and when you go and ask what happens, they end up trying to buy those guys' results. It is true. Yeah, it is true. I don't know whether parents are aware of it because they only see the banner in front of it. But I always say, student is, don't try to look into what is rank and other things is all your efforts. Try to see, are the coaching institutes giving you good knowledge? And that gives you, I think Google reviews have made a real good impact, sir. People have started telling the weaknesses in the Google reviews. You should read a Google review, not the positive ones, but the negative ones. You will get to know what that institute is. A few of the coaching institutes, I know what they do. They select the top 10 guys. They will put them into a separate batch. Morning till evening, they keep churning out like a factory. Rank le lo, rank le lo. But sir, what is the point of getting the rank if you don't have the concept?
Absolutely right, Arjun. अभी आपसे बात करते ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को, अर्जुन, कि मेरे को एक इनिशिएटिव लेना चाहिए. जितने भी पेरेंट्स और जितने भी बच्चे बात इस पॉडकास्ट को देख रहे हैं और ये रील अगर आप तक पहुंचती है ना, सो मैं फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट आप लोगों को गाइड करने के लिए रेडी हूँ. बट आप लोगों को यहाँ आना पड़ेगा. अगर आप मेरे ऑफिस में आते हो और इफ़ यू नीड एनी गाइडेंस कि यार ये करियर पाथ चूज़ करना चाहिए, इस डायरेक्शन में जाना चाहिए, वो सही है गलत है, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ हद तक 10% ही सही, पर मैं 10% अगर मैंने आपकी हेल्प कर दी और अगर आपको लग गया कि आप राइट डायरेक्शन में चले गए, तो शायद ज़िंदगी बदल जाएगी. और मैं ये बात इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ अर्जुन सर, क्योंकि लोगों को ना मेंटर नहीं मिलते हैं. मुझे खुद को नहीं मिले आज तक. ठीक है, मैं तो खुद भगवान के भरोसे चल रहा हूँ. बट जो गाइडेंस जो मैंने आज तक जो सीखा है, मैंने आज तक 400 पॉडकास्ट कर लिए हैं, लोगों से मिल रहा हूँ और कंटिन्यू जर्नी को आगे बढ़ाता रहूँगा. तो जितने भी पेरेंट्स स्टूडेंट ये देख रहे हैं, बात को सुन रहे हैं, रियली मैं दिल से बोलता हूँ, अगर आपको रियली में कोई गाइडेंस चाहिए कि यार ये सही है या गलत है, तो मैं आपको 10% तो हेल्प कर ही सकता हूँ. तो प्लीज़ ये रील को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक शेयर कर देना.
And just to add up to it, if any student is confused about commerce में क्या करना है, they just have to call Aryupro का helpline. They will guide them. They will not sell a course. And again, I'm saying they will not sell a course. Even if it's 30 minutes, my counseling team, they will spend time with them. tell them whether there is also an instance where I'll tell you where I'm extremely proud of my team was one student came 50% था BCom पे communication skills attitude he's ready to pay the fees they told कि भाई don't do the course because you will end up failing it they were not see from the sales angle I can say हाँ भाई पैसा दो they rejected the student and said see if you really want to do you attend 1 week uske baad you take a call can you do it don't randomly give the fees to us because I am not sure कि whether you have that ability to clear
Right. So this is the cherry on the cake हो गया है तो अभी right now अपने conversation में.
so I'm saying so anything in commerce they can call up my helpline team they will do it and it's free of cost
Wow. So on top of that, I think parents are still forcing the students. Parents are still forcing their children to take the professional courses. कि यार भाई तू ये कर ले, you can do this, you can do this. So should they do? Should they listen to their parents or should they listen to their inner voice? What they can do?
okay so I'll tell you your first question parents are forcing that's a wrong statement India में 52 lakh students are doing commerce in that not more than 2 lakh are doing professional course because everyone thinks CA is the only professional course that is available but if you look into the numbers out of 2 lakh people who take up the course हर साल में only 10,000 clear course so what is that others are doing is everyone thinks CA is the only professional course which is there but in finance luckily since India is becoming the GCC hub lot of finance professionals are required and the shortage is massive there are other courses like see I always tell this if you say I like numbers CA is the top but it's not the ultimate if you say I want to be a professional but I like more of law do company secretary if you say hey you know what I like more of trying to find इसमें कितना खर्चा होता है and other do your CMA if you say you know what Arjun I cannot study so much there is CMA US only 2 paper exam or you say no I want to get a global CA qualification do CPA or ACCA these papers are lot more easier than the CA exams and people are not aware and people keep saying hey you know what, how are you growing we are only trying to create awareness we are not trying to sell or other stuff we go tell students hey you know what you are just doing BCom के साथ कुछ तो करो right even if you can like you said even if out of 100 students who come in 100 में 10 students end up becoming professionals that will change 10 families का lives rather than 10 of them not even aware of see I did not know whether I wanted to do CA or not to be very honest I also thought it's too difficult with my because I had to work during my college days so I did not know whether I would be able to manage that much of effort XYZ but somehow somebody pushed me and said aware Arjun you really understand concepts well why don't you get into CA I'm like nahi yaar I can't put in so much of effort rather mujhe MBA karna they said go and write one exam if you fail don't do it I wrote somehow missed my rank by a mark because conceptually I'm saying today also I'm extremely good at concept learning but I cannot mug up remember things then one of my friend's father he stepped in and said no you do your articleship we'll support you with the money and other somehow everyone kept on supporting me and one day when I became CA I look back everything around my life had changed I in my family I'm one of the first guys who have studied so much because my dad imagine he had to sell juice to make sure he funds my education right uh, and today we don't have to worry about things and we are more carefree as people I'm not saying that we are I still stay in the same house that I've grown up as a kid but I'm saying there is lot of things around me which has changed after I become a CA so I keep telling people is don't settle for your BCom कुछ तो आगे कर and try it see if you fail then you do something else without trying just because somebody said it is difficult you don't say it is difficult right and my dad whenever I am extremely low I say I can't do it my mom and dad they say once did anyone complete this course if they say yes, they say my son also has the ability to do it. And it's a very, very powerful statement, because see the trust that they have ki my son is as good as the superstar there, right? And he says you try, it's okay, you fail other things, but don't tell it's difficult before you try. And I keep telling the same thing, please try something. World is getting extremely competitive, uh, day in and day out, and AI is changing a lot of things. We are in a fantasy world ki kuch nahi hoga, but it will just disrupt a lot of things, and India is the future.
अर्जुन सर, मेरे को एक बहुत आउट ऑफ क्यूरियोसिटी क्वेश्चन आ रहा है। पता है $22 बिलियन की वैल्यूएशन की कंपनी बंद तो नहीं होती, कम हो जाती है। वाई एवरीबडी इज गोइंग फॉर एडटेक राइट नाउ इन इंडिया? Either they are seeing any kind of actual gap or just they want to make an money.
No, see, one, like I started my conversation with, until good set of professionals come into teaching, India will have a skill gap. And education has to become one of the top career choices. So if you go to Finland, New Zealand and all, why is that quality of education so well? Because that's a first choice in terms of the security out there. Government takes care of teachers very well. People want to be teachers because it's a very respected profession. Earlier it used to be like that. Today it has changed. People who cannot get into any jobs are getting into teaching.
This is the sad part, I guess.
I'll tell you, which I don't know, it's the right forum to talk about. Imagine schools and colleges which are charging 2 lakh rupees fees per student. What do you think would be a salary of a teacher?
20-25,000.
Imagine 20,000 rupees, right? And I had an instance where somebody was saying, hey, you know what, XYZ, somebody doing a day earner is gonna earn more than you guys. And what is that we are respecting teachers for? Today as a company, if you ask me who are your highest paid staff, it's my teachers. And we have been very, very...
What is the highest salary, sir, if you want to tell about?
There are teachers who are earning more than 60 lakh in terms of it.
Wow. Teachers.
Yeah, teachers. There is a teacher who has also crossed a crore in terms. But I'm saying these are all based on their efforts. It's not that we are doing something. They come, this work really hard. There is a lot of gap. Definitely, yes.
Can I become a good teacher?
Yes, provided you want to make a difference. See, being a good teacher, I think, is about understanding a student. And I always look into it and say, me, if I am sitting there, what is that I expect from that guy? See, education is available on YouTube for free, sir. And I'm saying, जो भी मैं बात करना चाहता हूँ, if I say what is costing, go on YouTube, it will teach. Even there might be hundreds of teachers who can be better than me. What differentiates me from that YouTube is I can guide a student to his right path. And that is been our game changer.
What kind of advice you want to give to students as of now? For 20-year-old student.
See, if you have chosen to do commerce, don't settle for BCom. There is enough scope in the country because India is going to become the next superpower. And India requires as many good finance professionals as possible. And for that, getting a degree is not sufficient. See, why I look into it on the finance angle, right? People will give money to somebody whom they can trust. And reliability will come in only when you're accountable to your life. And imagine you come and say, I failed my BCom 10 times. I can manage your money. No one will believe it. Professional qualification is not going to change your life, but it will build credibility to you as a person. And you guys at 2021, watching movies are good. You have to do multiple things, but please build credibility and accountability as a person. If you cannot do it, trust me, you are just digging your own grave. And you are blaming this college, you're blaming the course. All of it is your fault. It's not the institution fault. And that is one advice I keep telling students is first build accountability for yourself. And that will only come in through your education. And education builds credibility for a person.
Correct. मैं तो ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆ में ही बोलता हूँ मैं तो सर कि ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಪಾಡ್ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ತುಂಬಾ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು ಸರ್. सो मैं खुद भी एजुकेशन में बहुत बिलीव रखता हूँ, एंड आई हैव स्टार्टेड वन एनजीओ दैट इज कॉल्ड द पावरफुल एजुकेशन फाउंडेशन. सो बहुत सारे बच्चों को हम हेल्प कर रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं से, ठीक है. और देखते हैं कहाँ तक जाएंगे. फ्री स्कूल ओपन करने का स्टार्ट किया हमने बेंगलुरु के अंदर. लेट्स सी कहाँ तक जाती गाड़ी है. अर्जुन सर, पूरा इंडिया ये सोचता है कि फिजिक्स वाले का कोर्स ही सबसे चीपेस्ट है. अब आज आप ट्रू बताओ कि वास्तव में फिजिक्स वाले का कोर्स ही सबसे चीपेस्ट है, या आपने भी उससे चीपेस्ट कोर्स कोई बनाया है?
Sir, our courses are 1,500 rupees per month. So if you take
कंपेयर विद द फिजिक्स वाला.
physics wala is at around 6 or 7,000 rupees for a package of a course. So we are at 1,500. So somebody wants to do it faster.
6 टाइम लेसर.
No, that it's the duration of the course. So I'm saying if somebody is very serious, we are way too cheaper than any of them in the country.
फुल कंट्री में पूरे.
Yeah. If somebody is saying, hey, you know what, I can complete in 3 months, you can do a course of, let's say, CA intermediate of at less than 10,000 rupees, which is the cheapest in the country, right? And people are not aware because everyone comes in and thinks, okay, because you have, and as a marketing, we have never tried to market the price of the course anywhere. So last 10 years, you will not even see a single post of us where you are saying, hey, you know what, our course is at 1,500 rupees. We don't want people to come and say, you know what, the moment you talk about pricing, right, people think if you put a price, lower price, people think you're selling cheap product because it's a mentality problem. So we said, we will never sell a course at a price point. We will only tell what are we selling good at.
अच्छा, कौन कौन से कोर्सेज है सर अभी?
So we do CA, CS, ACCA, CMA US, CMA India, FRM, EA. Then these are the 7 which is already active. Then we are starting CFA. We have something called residential back. So totally हमारे पास 10 courses है. And you can do it, like I said, as less as if you're very serious, within 4,000-5,000 rupees a course. But provided you should be serious. So the more you delay, it is like you are penalizing. So there are students who take up a course, finish off within 15-20 days so that they can save money. There are students who have lot of money, they take their own time. But compared to the cost wise, we are the most cheap, affordable in the country. I'll not say cheapest.
As you told, like 9 years, so you have not done any kind of marketing, but you have started the marketing now. So I think you will increase the pricing or you will get the funding from the investor. So what is the motivation behind to come into the marketing picture?
Still, there were 2 stories. One, there was so if you look into any coaching academy, right, all the professional courses have 3 levels: level 1, level 2, level 3. Every coaching center you go and check has highest number at level 1. We have highest number at level 2. Level 1 is a marketing game. You are going and creating awareness to it. Now, level 2, students take coaching at different institutes, they fail, and then they say, okay, I can't keep spoiling my career with this institute, I need to find somebody better. And during the examination time, students keep asking, right, हाँ तुम किधर गए थे पढ़ने के लिए? Then that's where they get to know about us. So level 2, level 3, we have very, very high number. Ratio, if I have to talk on the industry, if level 1 is 100%, level 2 usually would be 40% in most of the coaching institutes. For us, my level 1 is 20%, level 2 is 100%. 5 times more than level 1, and level 1 is pure marketing game. So when students came for level 2, one of a parent came and asked me this question, Arjun, we are getting to know about you guys after we have failed, after my son has failed 2-3 attempts in different institute. You are not even, people don't even know about Arivu Pro. But don't you think ये आपका भी गलती है कि if I would have known about you guys, if I would have not put my son into your institute, it is my fault. But if I don't know about you and my son has gone to another institute and he has failed, I think you should take some responsibility on it. That is the first reason which I also felt very genuine. Ki, see, 1 year, 1.5 year of a young student's career is spoiled because of him choosing a wrong institute. Second part of it is also, like I said, since we give most affordable classes, lot of them in tier 2, tier 3 don't know about it. And people are not joining professional course thinking that it is costly. I am saying it's not costly, it's about mindset. And we also do with certain NGOs free batches in a year. So there is a batch that we do with Ablashrama for girls where they take care of the residence, CA classes, and also their examination fee is paid by a company done with association with Ariv. But in a year, we do only 2 batches because we are not a social enterprise, right? But from our contribution to society, whoever says I cannot afford, we say wait for that batch to come in twice a year. There are people who really can demonstrate to study, but like you said, if people are not knowing it, then can we get the best students who cannot do all of this to come and join us? That's where we said, okay, fine. What you said your problem is genuine. That's why we said, okay, chalo yaar, marketing कर लेते हैं.
Do podcasting, sir. आप at least 50-60 podcast करो, पूरा India will come to know about you.
Hopefully, sir, inshallah.
Thank you so much, sir,
Thank you.
for coming in the podcast. And I
Thank you
think
so much.
एजुकेशन वाला बात हो गया मस्त वाला. और आई थिंक लोगों का एजुकेशन टॉपिक वैसे भी मेरे जब मैं एजुकेशन का टॉपिक करता हूँ बड़ा मज़ा आता है उन लोगों को. आई थिंक वी हैव 2 चैनल्स. वन हैव आई थिंक 4 लाख फॉलोवर्स, सो थोड़ा बिग चैनल. सो वहाँ पे भी एजुकेशन पे मैं बात करता हूँ, बहुत सारे टीचर्स से. सो पीपल एन्जॉय आवर कॉन्वर्सेशन. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस पॉडकास्ट. एंड अर्जुन सर, ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर यू.
Thank you.
थैंक यू सर.
Yeah.